All right, so here we have an in-bather shower head set. Let's open the box and look at this particular model. Thanks to the seller for sending this over. All right, so we've got a shower head, a rain type shower head attachment on here. And we also have the handheld that we're gonna get set up as well. Gives you instructions on how to get all of this attached. But let's take a look at the unit itself. All right, a variety of things in here. Let's unpack them one by one, see what we have. This feels like the handle. Wow, nice mirror-like back. You could use that to check yourself out. Hey, look, there I am. Hi. A lot of times you'll find sets where this is made out of plastic. That is actually all metal. That is really nice. It comes with a filter. Rings that should go inside here when this gets connected. Like so, and where that gets connected, that is a filter. Here looks like we've got some connection tape and some gloves so that we don't damage it while we're putting it in. Nice touch as well. Okay, let's take this out. This looks like one of the extenders. Again, this is all metal. Everything about this feels nice and sturdy. Very nice. Remove this. See our hose. An adhesive connection to act as a hanger for this on the wall. We've got our hose right there. And then the main shower head, the star of the show. Look at that. There we have it. Big shower head. You can get that rain effect using that extension. So we're going to get all this set up in the shower and then take a look at it.